If your Samsung refrigerator's door bin cracked, the Feikeer DA97-11520B Samsung Refrigerator bin is a lifesaver. This upgraded part fits perfectly. It replaces the DA97-11520A and AP5651802 models. Installation is simple. You just snap it in. No tools are needed. Moreover, it feels sturdy. This bin holds many items. Think of it as a new, strong basket. It keeps your groceries organized. Therefore, milk, juice, and condiments fit well. It's a genuine upgrade. The Feikeer DA97-11520B Samsung Refrigerator bin solves a common problem. Old bins often crack. This new one is much stronger. It feels durable. This means it can handle daily use. Furthermore, it saves you money. Replacing the whole fridge is expensive. This small part makes a big difference. It brings back lost storage space. Consequently, your fridge will feel new again. It's truly a practical solution. Overall, the Feikeer DA97-11520B Samsung Refrigerator bin is a smart purchase. It's a high-quality replacement. The fit is precise. This bin is built to last, hence, you won't need another one soon. It improves fridge functionality. You will enjoy the extra space. It's like giving your fridge a strong, new arm. I highly recommend this product. It's a great value. Pros: fits great, matches all other bins, just the right size, quality seems similar to manufacturer. Lower price, perfect fit, cheaper than purchasing from Samsung, no issues, easy to install. Same as the original, exact fit, didn't need to wait for Samsung, nice quality, received within 3 days, much cheaper than Samsung replacement, fits perfectly, seems well made, less than half price of OEM part, item received quickly, good quality, much better price than Samsung. Cons: expensive for plastic, a little too high cost, quite expensive for a piece of plastic, some very slight differences from original, didn't like the cost features. Upgraded design, replaces DA97-11520B, replaces DA97-11520A, right side shelf, Samsung. Compatible, durable construction, easy to install, clear plastic, door bin, replacement part. This Feikeer door bin is a great replacement part for your Samsung refrigerator. It's an upgraded design for the right side shelf. It replaces parts DA97-11520B and DA97-11520A. The bin is made of clear, durable plastic, and it's easy to install. The Feikeer upgraded DA97-11520B refrigerator door bin is a great replacement for Samsung refrigerator door shelves like the DA97-11520A. Customers consistently found it to be a perfect and exact fit, matching other bins and appearing similar in quality to the original manufacturer's part. It's also easy to install and arrives quickly, often within 3 days. A major advantage is its significantly lower price compared to purchasing directly from Samsung, making it a much more affordable option despite a few comments noting it's still a bit expensive. For plastic, there were only minor reports of very slight differences from the original. But overall, it's a highly recommended, good quality replacement part.